before you continue watching this video, as you may see, 99.7% of my viewers are not subscribed to the channel. So, if you have been here more than once and you have enjoyed the videos that you have seen, please consider subscribing. Thank you. Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today comparing photos from the GoPro Hero 9 Black and Hero 8 Black. The GoPro Hero 8 Black shoots 12 megapixel stills, while the GoPro Hero 9 Black shoots 20 megapixel stills. Watching images from both cameras side by side, I think you can see a little difference, with advantage for the GoPro Hero 9 with more detail, but I would not say that the difference is huge. The difference in the photo quality between the two cameras is minimal in my opinion, so this will not be the decisive point when you are trying to decide which one to get.